is a pufferfish. Pufferfish are poisonous. We should never eat them. This is a snake. It can be dangerous, so do not touch. This is a lion. It is called the king of the jungle. This is a shark. It is dangerous, so stay away.
This is a whale. It is the largest animal in the world.
This is a polar bear. This is a penguin. This is a giraffe. It is the tallest animal on land. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles are very strong. We should never go near them.
This is a spider. Spiders can be dangerous. Do not touch them.
This is a bee. This is a ladybug. This is a caterpillar. This is a grasshopper.
This is a rabbit. This is a raccoon.
This is a chameleon. Chameleons can change their color to match their surroundings.
This is coral. Coral may look like a plant, but it is actually a living animal. This is a shrimp. This is a squid. This is a sea snail.
This is an elephant. It is the heaviest animal living on land.
This is a wolf. This is a jackal. A jackal. This is a pig. Pigs live on farms. This is a wild boar. Wild boars live in forests.
This is a butterfly. This is a peacock. This is a parrot. This is a kangaroo. This is a camel. This is a koala. This is a monkey. This is a flamingo. This is an ostrich. This is a stork. This is a whale. This is a dinosaur.
This is a cheetah. This is a turtle.
This is an owl. This is a squirrel. This is a leopard. This is a hippopotamus. This is a fox. This is a mouse. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a tiger. This is a bear. This is a seagull. It can fly long distances over the sea.
This is an eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds with excellent eyesight.
This is a bear. It sleeps during the winter. This is a reindeer. It lives in cold regions. This is an Arctic hare. It lives in cold places.
This is an Arctic fox. It can survive in very cold places. That's all for today, kids. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, teacher.